My name is Jeanie Webb, and I am president of Rose State College. I grew up in East Tulsa, which is definitely not the part of town that has a lot of money. So we grew up very, we had enough, but we didn't have a lot. I had wonderful parents. My mom was a data entry key punch operator in the old days, and my dad was a barber. My mom always wanted something better for me. NEO A&M came down and talked to me about North Stars of all things, or cheerleading. I was a cheerleader. So because of the North Stars and because they gave me a scholarship, I got to go to college. And that changed my life. From NEO, and then I went to Northeastern State University, and I got my bachelor's and my master's there. And then I went to Oklahoma State University, and that's where I did my doctorate degree. And then I went to OU because I want to be sure I cover everybody. I had a Kellogg fellowship there. And I did mine quick, so I had my doctorate at 26. And I got my bachelor's, as I told you, in 3 years. I was on a fast track, and here's why. I had no help. So I didn't want to be in debt. And so I was going as fast as I could to get out and to get a job so I could actually live. I loved my faculty job because I love students and you got to know them one-on-one. I had an opportunity to start a weekend college at Northeastern State. They were very big and branch campuses. So I had an opportunity to do that, and that's part of what made me pull over to administration. And then I had an opportunity to build Northeastern's Muskogee campus. So then I came here. They asked me if I would be interested in coming here and doing marketing and running our Hudaburg Theater. I was over there a couple of years, and then the president called me and said, hey, how would you like to be vice president of student affairs? Student affairs, of course, is my love. I decided to do that, and the more that they talked to me, the more excited I got. It's really kind of how I got here. I became president of Rose State 8 years ago. We never had housing on this campus, and I wanted our students to have that university experience at a community college, which is what I got at NEO. So my very first project was to build housing. And I think every day that we get up and make a difference. I get to be excited every day about what I do. If you can't get excited about students and the future generation, probably shouldn't be in education, just saying. And so I love it. It's just kind of been my career but I like to try to do something to make the place that you are better. That's really my goal at the end of the day. I want to be the best institution we can, and I'm willing to work however many hours it takes for us to get there. I started at a community college. I am a first-generation student, and this is my belief system. If you'd have told me when I graduated from high school I'd be a president, I'm here to tell you once again, that was not my goal. My goal was to make enough money to eat, to buy a house at some point. I didn't have a plan. I had no plan. I had no plan in high school at all. Everything launched from NEO. I tell everybody to this day, it was a game changer. NEO changed my life. I had a blast there. I had great instructors there. I had small classes there. And I absolutely loved it, and helped me to get kind of a direction of where to go because I didn't have any idea. And so NEO to me has meant everything because of what it did for me.